Welcome back. One of the tools that you'll have available to you inside of Microsoft 365 will be Microsoft Word. You will see that Microsoft Word does give you templates to work with if you want to do something different or out of the ordinary. In many cases, you will be using a blank document and you will start from that point. What you will notice are many of the same elements that you will see from the desktop application if you are a user, in addition to being able to dictate your content using the dictate feature, being able to have an editor to go over your writing just as you might use Grammarly, and to use a designer that uses AI in order to create an effective document. The other menus, such as the Insert menu, the Layout menu, the References menu, the Review menu, and the View menu, will have many of the same features that you are used to. Now, one of the things you'll want to do is to make sure that your document is going to be saved. When you do that, you will then have your document being auto-saved to your OneDrive account. If you go into your document area and you go to the info area, one of the things you'll notice is that you have a version history. And these are all of the changes that you have made to your document. And if you want to go back in time to your document, you can find the version that you want to use. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.